Welcome back. So, next is apps. So, apps are like as on your Android mobile phone. So, there's a Google Play Store, and whenever you need some functionality, like if you have to play some games or if you have to order food, so you just download some app, and by using that app, what you do is you just use the functionality to do some particular task like ordering food or doing shopping or playing games. So like this on Shopify, these are the apps, and there are so many apps and you can use them to do some functionality. So you can just click on apps over here and you will get this. Right now it is showing three apps only, but if you will click on app and sales channel settings over here, so you will get this, and it will display all of the apps which are installed on your Shopify store or your account. So it is showing these two, and you can just click on this Shopify app store. Once you will click on it, it will open a new window, and here you will see there are lots of apps which you can use for free. Some are free and some are paid, and some are uh, paid, but they just give some time like 14 days, 7 days. They just give some trial period to use. Okay, so here you can see like this is free trial available, this is free plan available, this is free to install, this is free to install, free to install. Okay, so I will like step by step in the coming video I will tell you which apps need to be used. Okay, like as per the lectures. uh, so current topic is, so right now our current topic is Shopify dashboard tour. So basically I have covered all of the dashboard tour, in just I have just given the introduction, but in details we will see as per the this course will go on.